Alright, what is up guys? I'm talking to you from behind a brand new camera, so I'm super pumped about that. Hopefully this helps make the footage a little bit easier to watch and makes it a little bit better. I hope you guys had a good holiday and a happy new year, because my new year honestly, well, my New Year's was good. My New Year's Eve, something happened though. So I think the Street Stang engine is knocking. It's been knocking all the way since Langley. I guess we're just gonna hope I make it back. He's knocking. That's right. The Street Stang is blown up, and it's only been like 2 months, but not too much of a big deal. Already found an engine for it, so within the next couple weeks we can get an engine and swap it in. But for right now, she's off the road. I need sunglasses from here. That's why I came over here. Alright, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Ryan's place, and we are gonna throw, oh god, there's a box on it. We're gonna throw my GT40 intake and stuff in the parts washer so that we can mock it up and get it ready to be put on the engine. I didn't get a flywheel and stuff yet because the holidays made me blow all my money, but yeah, we're gonna get a flywheel. We're gonna put that intake on and mock it up. Then we're gonna put the oil filter on, not the oil filter, oil cooler and all that stuff. We may not do it all today. We'll see what gets done at the shop, but for right now, let's go over to Ryan's. Alright, so we went by Ryan's. Didn't really have time to throw my parts into the parts washer. Plus, there's not really too much of a hurry. They are doing an oil change in the driveway. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my clutch and flywheel off the motor. All right, so you guys ready to see the condition of this? Look at this clutch. First off, this pressure plate, focus. It's got some like, oh right, scoring a little bit of heat treatment, but I mean it's barely even worn in, so I'm gonna reuse that. This clutch is still like brand new, so we're gonna reuse this clutch as well. And this flywheel, look at this thing, look at this thing. Barely has any marks on it. Like, it's barely even worn in, and the only reason why we gotta replace it is, where is it? It's because of that missing tooth. That missing tooth right there. So this is basically just a paperweight now. What we should also do is we should also take a look at the starter to make sure that it doesn't have any nicks in it. No missing. Oh, we can climb in here. There we go. Don't worry, the wires are still on, but there's no power to it. It's still got all its teeth. Sorry, I just realized you guys can't see that. Yeah, but like every single tooth is there, so we don't need a new starter, which is good. But we do need a new flywheel, and we'll reuse the clutch. But anyways, we will see you guys in like a couple days here. So fast forward. Alright, so now we are back. We went and got a new clutch. Take a look at this thing.
Autofocus on that so fast, I bet.
It kind of sucks, honestly.
Oh no, really?
So it's an actual Luke clutch, which is better than my eBay one, so it shouldn't have a dumb part failure like that one. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Do we have brake clean?
Huh?
Do we have brake clean?
Oh, I have tons of brake.
Oh, okay, perfect. So we can actually clean that and put it in. And then I have a bed load of tires for the shop. Look at that. Look at all those tires. Oh, this is gonna be so good. So many new tires to burn off once this car is up and running again. So I think today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the flywheel on, and we're gonna put the clutch back on and everything. Try and put the tires back over here. And then take the oil pan off because we're gonna get ready to put a baffled pan on it. And yeah, so it shouldn't be that much like dedicated work today. If we decide to do any more work, we can, but we don't.
Get shit done. Get shit done.
Jared's here too to help out. We don't really need to have the engine out of the car to take the pan out, but you can't take it out without actually lifting the engine in the engine bay. So we might as well do it while it's here. The shop is an absolute mess. I did bend this when I accidentally dropped my engine, so we just need to bang that out and we'll be good to go. So
Can you stop filming so I can turn the volume up on the music, bro?
well, hold on. Okay.
I listen to Rascal Flatts. We want to know what hurts the most.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna unload all those tires and put them in the shop, and then eventually when this stuff's moved, we're gonna stack them up there, and then we're gonna start getting work done. Okay, I'm gonna keep this quick. First, we gotta clean off the new flywheel. Alright, this thing's nice and clean on both sides. So now we can go and throw it on the car. I need to find the Loctite to put on the bolts, and then we can throw this on. Okay, flywheel is on. I just need to torque it, and then we can put the clutch on with the alignment tool, and then we should be good to go on the clutch. Look at that, bang that out. This is now straight, so the starter should go in once this is off. Yeah, once this is off, we'll get there once this is all done. So torque this, then we'll move on to that. Bam, clutch is all back together. All the teeth are intact. She is good to go on the clutch side. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. Now the clutch is on, we just have to do the baffle pan, put some other stuff on, then once it's in the car, we can mark up the intake for all the vacuum lines and stuff. So, sound like a plan?
No, dude.
Sounds like a plan. So I'm gonna end this video here. I know this one was kind of a little bit all over the place. Let me know if you think that this camera's better. I obviously think it's better because it's a better camera, but
almost as good as me, man. Almost as good as me. You know?
No, man.
Know what I'm saying, man? You can't
All
see me wait because I got shades on. Know what I'm saying, man?
All right, so guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.